In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay your rent with a Bilt credit card. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is download the Bilt Rewards app if you haven't got it already. So you can just head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and you can simply download Bilt Rewards. From there, you can create an account if you haven't got one already, or you can simply sign in. And during the sign up process, you'll actually be prompted to link your Bilt mastercard. So you can simply link it, and then you can search for your apartment building or complex in the app. If it's part of the Bilt Rewards Alliance, you should be able to connect it through your account. Once connected, you'll be able to head to this section called Pay Rent. You'll be able to see the place you're renting as well as your total balance down here. And in order to actually pay off our rent with our Bilt credit card, we can simply click Make a Payment. From there, we'll have two options. We can pay our rent online or we can pay by cheque. But since we're trying to pay with the Bilt credit card, we're going to choose to pay rent online. And it says that we can even avoid card transaction fees by using our Bilt credit card. So you can simply transfer to the routing and account numbers down below. And once you've done that, you'll be able to look over your payment summary. So you'll be able to see that you're paying rent for the place you're renting. You'll be able to see how much your rent is, and you'll also be able to see the fee, which in this case has been waived. You can also see your rent benefits down below, and this will show us how many points we're going to earn for paying off our rent. However, once you click Pay Now at the bottom of the screen, you will have successfully paid your rent with your Bilt mastercard. So that's how you can pay your rent off with your Bilt credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.